New account information. Excuse me.
Yes.
I wanted to open a Public Provident Fund account.
Okay, do you have an account in our bank?
Yes, I have a salary account.
Okay.
Could you please brief me on the procedure?
You would need to fill a form for the opening of PPF account. Then I would need a photograph of yours along with ID proof and address proof.
Okay, sure.
You need to specify the amount you intend to pay every month. The minimum limit is 100 rupees, whereas the total amount payable in a fiscal year should not exceed more than 1.5 lakh.
Okay, can you please provide me the form?
Yeah, sure. Here it is.
Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe for more conversational videos.